So I'm Mary Arthur, I'm the Plaid Cymru candidate for the Llanelli constituency. I'm born and bred in Cymru and I went to the village school until comprehensive age when I went to Graig School in Llanelli. I've always been proud of being from Llanelli and from Wales. And although I was educated through the medium of English, I do speak Welsh and siarad Cymraeg, and I'm passionate about how the language is reflective of our distinctive culture here in Wales. Llanelli town centre has been in decline for decades. When I was in school and in my teenage years, it was thriving, you know. I moved to North Wales for work, came home and realised that it had changed slightly. Over that decade, between my 20s and 30s, the shift had moved from the town centre to out of town, and then you saw the shops leaving, the main shops in Llanelli, and then the boutique shops weren't doing as well because there wasn't the traffic coming into town. And I think it doesn't take much to turn things around. So for me, rejuvenating the town centre, but that's linked to all of the other things as well, making sure we got the right infrastructure in place, the right public transport in place. I'd like to go car-free, and it's just impossible living in West Wales and getting around without a car at the moment. So I'd like to make the transport and travel system better for everyone. I believe that if we build a society, if we build a Llanelli that fits the most vulnerable in the community, it'll be fit for everyone. So that's what my mission is in life, you know, whether I'm a politician or the director of a sustainable charity. I've been working hard for years to make sure that once we serve the people who need different services and different support, the system's right for everyone. I want to put Llanelli and the Gwendraeth Valley on the map and bring local, national and global opportunities for us all. Let's make things better for everyone. Let's get things done together. To do this, we need to vote for change. We need to believe in Llanelli, believe in Wales.